do more than just dodge rolls, you know?
Right here! I'll let the whole thing and
I'm out of here!
No! Don't stand there and bring the fun to the party. You win! Let them learn! Hanging on the edge of tomorrow, never go your way!
Take this!
Gone, gone, gone! This is the end of the song.
I'm out of here!
Don't let uncertainty
I can do more than just dodge rolls, you know?
or make me second guess. I'll pave my own way forward and clean up this mess. Gotta keep on rolling, gotta keep singing.
I'm out of here!
It's true, if you think that you're faster, prove me wrong. Lost it all, still we're standing. No circumstance so die by your total. We're sleeping in my mind.
You, my friend! You're
You can't take the way I feel. I keep living on.
I'm out of here! You can do more than just dodge rolls,
Check
you
out
know?
this cool guitar solo. Roshi! There's no more holding back. Oh, the
I can do more than just dodge rolls, you know?
Shining with violence. Isn't this what you wanted from me? There's no mercy left no more. Nothing to bring them back. Yeah, as fast as you are, you can't outrun me. No! No! Caught of the twisted game.
You, my friend! You're the crave some tip!
Back from show you what I made of.
I'm out of here!
I left
Evildoer.
the day. No escape from this place. That's who I am. The master of defiance. Defiance. I think your totem right here. I'll live my own way.
I hit my sword swings! I'm out of here!
Covering my face, can't get where I use your tenure. No! Don't stand there and chew your teeth.
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you
like a
know?
hurricane. Live and learn. Hanging on the edge of tomorrow, never go your way. Settle and blank. This is the end of the song. Stunning.
Welcome